Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Every year, the great festivals for the Muslim Ummah, it comes twice in a year, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Both of the festivals are very important in the history of the Muslim Ummah. So every year it comes, and this year already we are going to celebrate the Eid al-Adha, the great festivals for all the Muslims, and this day is declared as the day of the hospitality by the great Almighty Allah. That's why we have to celebrate it, to sacrifice the willed character and the vices we like to share with each and every one. So we have to sacrifice our life, our prayer, our everything towards the Almighty Allah. May Allah bless us. May Allah bring the peace, prosperity and happiness to each and every one. I like to wish all the Muslims, especially the friends, families and the fellow mates, everyone, Eid Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.